Hi, did you know that JD Edwards Enterprise One Server Manager now provides an improved automatic serialized object generation? You can now automatically generate serialized objects for frequently used objects, objects based on language preference, and objects for a specific path code. You can also clear serialized objects for a specific object. With the improved automatic serialized object generation, you can improve performance, expand the usage of automatic serialized object generation, generate objects based on user preferences, clear serialized objects for specific objects. Let's see an example of how the improved automatic serialized object generation works using the Server Manager console. Sign in to your Server Manager console as an administrator. Access the miscellaneous page from the miscellaneous link in the configuration pane. You can generate specs for the previously accessed objects using Generate Spec for Frequently Used Object setting in the Automatic Spec Generation and Package Discovery Override Settings section. Frequently used objects are determined based on the data available in the Object Usage Tracking table. These specs will be generated when the server starts. You can also select the language preference for serialized object. Select None if only the default English language serialized objects are required. You can select multiple languages to generate specs for different languages. None must not be selected along with other languages. Note that the default value in the product code specific objects to generate field is blank, therefore no product code specific objects will be pre-generated. However, you can list product codes for which specs must be generated. Multiple product code names must be specified with comma separators. For example, 01 is a single product code. 02, 03 are multiple product codes. Now, let us see how to delete the serialized objects. You can access the serialized objects through the Runtime Metrics pane. Next, specify the criteria to delete serialized objects. Select the type of serialized object you want to delete. Now, enter the name of the serialized object you want to delete. Delete the serialized objects. The system deletes all serialized objects for the specified type and name, including default, language, and user specs. To learn more, visit us online at learnjd.com. Thanks for watching.